So today we are starting chemistry and we are taking the chapter 1, that is chemical reaction and equations. So this chapter will tell you about types of reaction, and then it will also tell you about how to balance a equation, how a equation can be written. So let's start this chapter, that is chemical reaction and equations. So very first thing which we have to learn is that what is chemical reaction. Let's see some example. Burning of wood, milk to curd conversion, then rusting of iron, then photosynthesis, then digestion of food. What is common between all of them? That they all are irreversible changes. So burning of wood and milk to curd conversion and other three processes, they all are irreversible changes because a new substance is formed in this process or in this change. Like by burning of wood, the carbon particles are formed by and carbon dioxide is formed. By photosynthesis, oxygen and glucose is formed from carbon dioxide and water. So the whole compound changes and a new substance is formed. So केमिकल चेंज को आइडेंटिफाई करने का सबसे बेसिक तरीका है, पहला ये इरिवर्सिबल होना चाहिए, अपने आप वापस से रिवर्स नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड सेकेंड थिंग दैट इट शुड प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू सब्सटेंस. So there is one substance which will produce another substance as product. Okay, and this process will be known as chemical reactions. Now, every chemical reaction is accompanied with few observations, like few things we could observe while the chemical reaction happens. The most common things are mentioned over here. First is the change in state. Okay, like in this example, this is ammonia gas and this is hydrochloric acid gas in gaseous form. They both are gaseous, but their product is solid. So after the chemical change, which what is formed here? Solid is formed over here. So if the solid is formed over here, it means that there will be change in state. Next, there will be change in color if the chemical reaction is happening. That is, iron is getting converted into iron hydroxide while the rusting of iron is done. And in this process, iron is of gray color, but iron oxide is of brown color. So by the change in color, you can tell that a new substance is formed. Then next is evolution of gas. When some reactions happen, even the gas is evolved, गैस निकलती है. सो जैसे कि यहाँ फोटोसिंथेसिस में आपको पता है दैट ऑक्सीजन गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड एंड दैट ऑक्सीजन गैस इज यूज्ड बाय अस फॉर respiration, and in respiration carbon dioxide is evolved. So gases are made during chemical reactions. आपने बहुत सारे reactions पढ़े हों जिसमें bubbles ऑफ गैसेस निकलती हैं, जैसे जिंक को जब आप एसिड में डालते हो, जिंक के ग्रैन्यूल्स को आप एसिड में ऐड करते हो, एनी एसिड, HCl, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, यू कैन सी बबल्स कमिंग अप. ओके, एंड इनो को आप वाटर में डालते हो, यू कैन सी बबल्स कमिंग आउट. सो ऑल दीज रिएक्शंस आर involving evolution of gas. Then there is change in temperature also. The change in temperature can be of two types. Temperature can increase or temperature can decrease. In both the cases, it implies that some kind of chemical reaction is also happening over there. Like HCl और NaOH के reaction से sodium chloride बन रहा है और water बन रहा है. This reaction is nothing else but neutralization. So in neutralization, HCl and NaOH reacts to form NaCl and H2O, and in this reaction heat is produced, जिसकी वजह से जो reaction mixture होता है उसका temperature increase हो जाता है. So if you observe any of these changes, it means that some kind of chemical reaction is happening over there, and these chemical reactions are the chemical changes happening in any system. So अब इन केमिकल रिएक्शंस को रिप्रेजेंट करने का, पेपर पर लिखने के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. लेट्स सी. सो फर्स्ट way of writing chemical equation is writing them in words, that is magnesium and oxygen you have seen the reaction, magnesium strip को burn करते हैं in air to form a white colored powder, that is magnesium oxide. So this white colored powder is formed as product. So we can write this reaction, जो reaction हुई उसको हम लिखेंगे कैसे? We will write the reactant on left hand side, we will write the product on the right hand side, and we will put an arrow from reactant to product. Okay, and this is the word representation or word equation of any chemical reaction. Next, we can also इसको और short बनाने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, that we can write them in the form of their symbols. हमने पढ़े हैं last year 9th class में that symbols of every atom element can be written in this way. So मैग्नीशियम को हम Mg के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, ऑक्सीजन गैस को, ऑक्सीजन गैस इज अ मॉलिक्यूल, ऑक्सीजन एटम नहीं है ये, सो ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल का फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, एंड देन देयर रिएक्शन गिव्स अस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, तो हम मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. अब इस रिएक्शन में आप देख सकते हो that here only one magnesium is there, and in the product side also there is one magnesium, so it's fine. But in the reactant side 2 oxygen atoms are there, while in the product side only one oxygen atom is there. So the problem is कि हमने जो 9th class में law of conservation of mass पढ़ा था, in that mass of reactant is equals to mass of product. So for this condition to be fulfilled, the number of atoms on the side of reactant should be equal to number of atoms on the side of products. Like 1 mg is here 1 mg is there, here 2 oxygen are there, so here 2 oxygens should be there, but we cannot change the formula of magnesium oxide. So what we will do is balance the equation by adding coefficients. So the new way of writing a chemical reaction is the writing their balanced chemical equation, जो हमें ज़्यादा information देता है regarding chemical reaction, and it also follows the law of conservation of mass. So basically the coefficients are added to balance the right hand side and the left hand side, that is reactants and product side, and this kind of reaction is known as balanced chemical equation. जबकि ये जो basic reaction है उसको हम skeletal chemical equation बोलते हैं, और ये mostly unbalanced होती है, balanced भी हो सकती है. like पीछे के केस में आपने देखा था HCl and NOH. This is a skeletal reaction and it is also balanced equation. But here you can see that the skeletal equation is not balanced, while the balanced chemical equation is the balanced one. So there are two things which you have to remember. जो ये मैग्नीशियम के आगे नंबर लिखा हुआ है, this 2, या फिर ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड के आगे लिखा हुआ नंबर ये 2, इसको हम बोलते हैं कोफिशिएंट. और जो फॉर्मूला में नंबर आ रहा है जैसे O2, ठीक है, या H2O, उसको हम सबस्क्रिप्ट बोलते हैं. वी कैनॉट चेंज द सबस्क्रिप्ट while balancing the equation. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ कोफिशिएंट को चेंज कर सकते हैं. So in the next slide we will read about the balancing of chemical equation. So we will read that in the next lecture. Till then, practice and memorize as much as formulas as you can. Thank you.